Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, all right. I wonder if the chat hear me. So right now we are live trading the futures Nasdaq, MNQ, which is the macros. So this is the price action for today, for right now. As you see, we open and just went all the way up. This zone right here is a new weak opening gap. This is an area where it can potentially hold as support or resistance. So right now we actually have bearish price action on the intraday level right now on the smaller time frame. You see it was just consolidating here, consolidation. Not consolidating, sorry, it was just ranging high, low, high, low, high, low. So this is something that's called high resistance, when basically it leaves fair value gaps and it just don't respect them. Right? It's showing no signs that it want to respect. It's showing no sign that it want to actually respect any of these inefficiencies. So you don't want to trade in a market when it's like this right now. Why? Because we want it to do this. You see how it's just going down? This is what we want. We don't want it to go down and back up and down, back up, down. That's not what you want. All right. So this was this morning's price action. We had some nice price action going on. You see how it's leaving fair value gaps and it's just going up, retrace up, retrace up. This is what you want to see. Look at my favorite play. Look at my favorite play. We got a low, high, lower, low. And you see it ended up using it right here as resistance to go lower. So we got this, close above, came back down, rally, tapped the new day opening gap. Let's see how much points this was. It delivered about 68 points. That's good. Stop loss right here, right underneath. That's nothing. You look at it on 1 minute. Ooh, that was nice. Put a stop right below this order block right here. Look at that, riching 7 points. So trades like these right here, I'm trying to so this is the play that I usually take. Right? Once it closes above, creates the order block right here, change the state, jump in. Problem is, once it comes up here and stuff like that, I be getting out. I have to actually get better with staying inside of my trade. Right? That's why I actually want to get to the level where I can trade 2 contracts. Right? Take 2 contracts. Once it gets to TP1, right, I can sell one, put the other, put the rest to break even. And then look, my stock would have been at break even, and it would have never got hit. It would have got real close right here, but look. So let's go back to right now, price action. Not really getting much right now. We just got a crazy drop. So look at my play again. This, high. So we got a low. We got a low. We got a low, high. Oh, sorry. Oh, we got a high, low, higher high. You want to wait for it to close lower low right here. Got the lower low right here. We got a high, low, higher high, lower low. So this candle all the way through, right there. Right there in the finish, right? You saw it close underneath right here. Close underneath, came back up, tapped the inefficiency right there. Came back up, you saw it tap the inefficiency, and it just ran all the way down. That's what I'm talking about. Look how much points that is for. I got a little short. Look how much points that was for. All the way to TP, they got 70 points. That's why I love the breakers, because the breakers are the best plays. Breakers are literally the best plays because your stoppers, look at that. Look at the risk to reward. Lovely. One thing about trading, everything is patience. That's how I was able to actually start making more money because I gotta go. Yeah, that's how I was actually able to make more money for real, live trading for real, because I stopped just taking every single trade I was looking at. Like now, I don't even be taking as much trades as I used to. Like I'll make my money and I'll be done for the day. Like I've been profitable for the last 2 months. So these last 2 months I've been actually making profit. These last 2 months I've been trading on a 50%, basically 50, 60% level every single day, making money. Trading one macro, and it actually feels like I'm not even trading because I'm not even taking as much trades as I used to. Like that's what I realized. Like I was like, dang, it's not about how many trades you take. That's why you gotta get that money and get out. Most thing I realized is when to trade. I ain't never know it was like market conditions. Like I really ain't understand actually market conditions. Like it's a time to trade and it's a time not to trade. And you can tell basically on the order flow. Basically, it's something that's called high resistance and low resistance. I ain't even understand it. That's why I love paying for information because the more money I pay to the people that really know what they're talking about, the more I actually learn. And now I trade one strategy. I trade one strategy, about 2 trades a day, and that's it. So right now I'm trying to see what it's going to do. This was a nasty move right here. Caught the breaker all the way down. TP. So right now it's at this new day opening gap. I'm trying to see what it's going to do in this level right here, because now that we're underneath it, this level right here could be held as support. I mean, as resistance. So, but one thing about trading, boy, you gotta be patient. All about patience. finally became profitable over the last 2 months using this one RSP concept. Right? So if you want to learn this concept, if you're tired of strategy hopping, you want to trade with me, you want to learn from me for free in my free community, which is on Discord. DM me now so we can start tomorrow and we can get familiar with this one RSP concept, which is the only strategy that you would need. Right? But after that, you would need the other 3 components to be a profitable day trader, which is patience, risk management, discipline, and the strategy that I got. Right? And it's I've been trading on over 50%